In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to a Google Drive folder. Whether you're managing your personal files or collaborating on a project, knowing how to efficiently store and share documents can be incredibly useful. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. You'll find this at drive.google.com. Once logged in, you'll see a variety of options, including the My Drive section, where all your files and folders are organized. If you haven't yet selected a specific folder for your new file, you can do that now by browsing through your existing folders. Simply click on the folder you want to add a file to, and it will open to display its current contents. Now let's upload a file. In the top left corner of the Google Drive interface, you'll find the prominent New button. Click on this and a small menu will appear. From this list, select File Upload. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the file you want to upload. Navigate to the file's location on your device, select it, and then click Open to begin the upload process. As the file uploads, you'll see a small progress bar in the lower right corner of your screen. Once the upload is complete, your file should appear within the folder you selected. If you need to create a new folder for better file organization, go back to your Google Drive homepage. Again, click on the New button, but this time select New Folder. A dialog box will prompt you to name your folder. Enter an appropriate name that makes it easy to remember what the folder contains, and click Create to finish. Once created, this new folder will be visible on your drive. To place a file into this new folder, the process is just as simple. Open the folder by double-clicking it, then proceed once more to the New button and select File Upload. As before, choose the file you wish to upload and confirm your selection. Repeat these steps anytime you need to add more files to any folder in your Google Drive. This method is efficient for maintaining organized and easily accessible digital archives. Remember to regularly review and manage your files, ensuring everything is up to date and clutter-free. And there you have it. You've just learned how to upload files to a Google Drive folder, create new folders, and keep your documents neatly organized. This skill will undoubtedly make managing your digital content smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.